Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows was unable to connect Wi-Fi Windows 7 laptop and desktop fixed. First method is right-click Wi-Fi network, click Properties. Type Network Security Key. Right-click Wi-Fi network, click Connect. Second method is type devmgmt.msc in Windows search bar, click devmgmt. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall. Click Scan for hardware changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.